Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invincible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invincible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invincible.
Polynesian. So I thought I'd show you around real quick. I know you guys have seen a DVC studio villa here at the Polynesian, but I'm just gonna give you like this really quick room tour. So we are on the second floor in the monorail building, and we have a connecting room here, the full-length mirror, and the first bathroom area with the sink and the tub shower in the bathroom. This is a really huge bathroom, by the way. You could have a party in there. And then this is your closet with the safe and laundry basket. That's your little kitchen area with the fridge. This is trash, coffee pot, microwave, and then paper towels and dishes and stuff. This is the second bathroom area. This one just has a sink and a really big, nice big shower. It's got a little seat, nice rainfall shower head. And then this pulls down into a single bed. Got a queen bed here, tables on both sides, which we love. And then nice little desk and a bob on the balcony. And then that folds out into another, like a couch bed. These are drawers underneath here, so you can, if you can open them. Oh, here we go. Those are drawers.
You have space for your luggage underneath.
Yeah, and space for your luggage in the front part. And this is our view. So this is a really big balcony.
Yeah, this is huge.
So we're on the very end of the building here. That direction is the lake.
Oh,
It's not that way?
nope, that's the parking lot.
Okay, that direction is the parking lot.
Behind us is the lake.
Oh, behind us is the lake.
Mhm.
Okay, and then that path
TTC.
leads over to the TTC. So there we are. Yay home. Hello.
Hello.
Where are we going?
We're going to the bar.
We're going to the bar
to the lounge.
because we're unaccompanied adults
Unaccompanied.
and we can bar like that.
And would you like to accompany us?
Yeah, let's go have a cocktail. Say, come on. Let's go have a cocktail.
Polynesian cocktail.
Yeah.
Maybe a pineapple or a
That's our
coconut.
building, Monorail, down there.
Maria.
So, all the tiki torches are lit. There goes the monorail.
See? That's our room. Right there. Right there.
Let's see.
Second floor. You can't see it because the magnolia
It's
trees are one.
under the trees. There's our room.
Oh, it's the last
See the little tiki torch? That's where our room is, right
there.
next to it.
Yeah.
That's a good spot.
It is a good spot.
Yeah, there's monorail
That's Pago Pago.
that way. You can see it.
That's Tokelau. We stayed in Tokelau.
Yeah, we like Tokelau building. That's the building right there.
We stayed in Pago Pago. Starting to rain.
It's a little sprinkly. It does feel like home, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
Really does. I think you just, like at the Polynesian for me anyway, I just breathe easier. You know, at the Polynesian, you just kind of go,
And take a deep breath and it's yummy.
yeah, it's yummy.
It's yummy.
It's a yummy deep
It's
breath.
Polynesian yummy.
So let's go to the bar.
Hey, which one are we going to?
I
See, there's
don't know.
There's the one upstairs. What do they call that?
Tambu Lounge.
Tambu Lounge, and then there's downstairs Trader Sam's Grotto.
Yeah, or there's Tiki Terrace.
Tiki Terrace.
Which one would you like to go to?
Let's see how crowded Trader Sam's is.
Okay.
We're going to Trader Sam's
No,
first.
we're gonna go check her out.
This is cinnamon and nutmeg, and you can spark the flame.
Oh, cool. Ooh, that's awesome.
Now we can say, oh, la, la, one more, whoo.
Yeah,
Yep.
Summon the gods.
just like that.
That's the Tiki goddess Oa.
Oa?
She gets mad, so we have to appease her by sacrificing the drink.
Oh, that sounds
Very
good. I
cool.
think I can handle that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Perfect. When you're ready, I'll go ahead and sacrifice the flame.
Okay, I think we're ready.
Did you get enough pictures?
I did, thank you,
All
yeah.
right.
Ooh,
Dunk it
There you
down.
are.
those are some big old straws.
Welcome.
Thank you. Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Thanks. Woo! So we got an Oa. Is it good?
Yep.
And 2 big old Mahusa straws.
Here goes Kelly with her first taste of the Oa.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah, it is good. Did she tell you, did you get what she said about the goddess? Okay. Mmm, yummy.
I like
Okay. Okay, so as you've seen our drink, all right? We didn't get into Sam's Grotto because it was already full and there was like an hour wait.
Yeah.
So we decided to just go to the Tiki Terrace, which is the backside of Sam's Grotto. And we got this awesome
drink
juice.
and these really long straws.
Yeah. It's like I could probably be sitting over at the Grand Floridian and still drink this.
It's good though.
It's really good.
I like it.
Yeah. So we might have to just enjoy another one. Possibly. We're gonna head over to Epcot in about an hour or so.
Yep.
So we can do a little snacking.
Snack.
Are you gonna snack? Yeah.
Aboard the Walt Disney World monorail to Epcot. For those of you standing, please hold onto the handrail throughout our journey and stay clear of the doors. For the comfort of others, no smoking, please. Thank you.
You don't have to go through security twice anymore. We get off the
now when
monorail.
you go through security at the TTC, it's good for Epcot.
Yay! Yes! That is awesome.
It's totally
It used
awesome.
to be a real pain in the patoot when you'd have to go through bag check twice.
Yeah, you had to go through TTC, then you had to go in Epcot too.
Yeah.
So now,
Yay!
Just once. Whoop, whoop.
Yay, look at what we have.
Sushi
What
donut.
we've been waiting for. Sushi donut. We each got one. Looks so good.
Here she goes.
That's a big bite.
It's a big bite. In for the second one. Now that's called bliss. Right there. Yum, yum, bliss.
We have some more snacks.
Yes.
We have the
Braised
braised short rib. Here we go.
Yeah.
And a corvina, which is a fish
With ratatouille.
with ratatouille.
Goes Kelly with the short rib. That's good. That's really good. Try that corvina real quick. Uh-oh. Won't come apart.
Sorry about my fingers.
Fingers are okay. Good?
It's good, yeah.
Okay, now that we've scarfed it down, how good was it?
It was really, really good. The short rib was really
Very tender, moist, and everything.
The fish was cooked very nicely. It wasn't dry or anything.
It was good.
Yeah.
Every bit of that was yummy.
Yeah.
Every bit of it. So far, I haven't had anything bad yet.
No, not yet.
And we haven't even stopped. We got China and Mexico.
What is this called?
This is spicy beef shumai.
Shumai. So it looks like little dumplings.
Little dumplings filled with love, sitting on top of a pickle.
Yeah, they look good. Let's see how they are. Oh, there goes your pickle.
There goes my pickle. Hey, that pickle's slippery.
Is it slippery pickle? It's hard with the
With the chopper sticks.
yeah.
Screw it. Okay, you're gonna see me get down and get dirty. Here we go.
There we go. All in. It's a big bite. What do you think? Is it good? It's yummy?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Awesome. Is it spicy?
It has a good spice. Yeah.
Cool. So it'd probably be too spicy for me.
Oh yeah, probably.
Okay.
Yeah. It's like, and it comes back. It comes later too.
So no sharing with Kelly.
Sorry.
No, that's okay.
I eat it all myself.
I'm good. Yay, the lights. We always seem to miss these lights. Oh, we can't go that way. Shoot. Okay, there's the lights again.
Going through her Dumbo backpack like a genteel Southern belle.
Genteel, I'm not so sure.
Show you all. Check it out. King, queen of the monorail. Well, -2. But anyway, there's Kelly, all lounging out like she owns the place, which we pretty much paid for it. So yeah. So anyway, now we're gonna head back to Ticket and Transportation Center so we can hit our hotel, our resort hotel, the parking lot of Epcot, Spaceship Earth, in our rear view mirror. Aloha, Spaceship Earth.
Morning!
Holy crap, I look like shit.
You don't.
Sorry about the S word there. Last night, we got back to the room.
And we crashed
Whoa.
hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, we were knackered.
Yeah. It was like, just hit the skids and we just we were out.
Yeah, we were really tired. So sorry we didn't close out the vlog yesterday. I'm sorry, I'm short. But we just wanted to say we had a great day yesterday. It was busy though.
Busy. It started early. Like,
Yeah, super. We were up at 10 till 6
Yeah.
yesterday. No, I was up at 10 till 5.
Yeah, 10 till 5.
Yeah, we were on the bus at 10 till 6.
at 10 till 6.
Yeah, so it was a really, really long day yesterday. We had a great time, but sorry we didn't close out the vlog. So this is today, but we're gonna put it in for yesterday.
Yeah.
So give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed our day, and
Don't forget to subscribe if you like it.
Yeah.
If you don't like it, subscribe anyway.
yeah,
We're gonna start another day.
we're gonna start another day,
Okay.
like right now,
Yeah.
just like that.
Here we go.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you. Bye.
Woo, woo.
Okay.
I have to tell you, it is a darn near perfect day at Disney World
Darn
today.
near perfect. The Dole Whip fan. A must-have for all people in the know.
It still smells like the zoo.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, that's big.
What are you saying? Look, it's the Dumbo bus!
Oh my god, it's so adorable.
My life is complete. I saw the Dumbo bus.